Welcome to today's session, and in today's session we will discuss about numerical problems based on convex mirror. Numerical problems based on convex mirror. Okay? So, shall we go now? Yes. An object 5 centimeter high. An object 5 centimeter high is placed at a distance of 10 centimeter from a convex mirror of radius of curvature 30 centimeter. Find the nature, position and size of the image. Which mirror? Convex mirror. Convex mirror. This is our convex mirror. Convex mirror. An object 5 centimeter high. An object 5 centimeter height. Height of the object is 5 centimeter. Is placed at a distance of 10 centimeter. At a distance of 10 centimeter. For example, this is our object, which is how many centimeter? 5 centimeter. Height of the object is 5 centimeter. Is placed at a distance of 10 centimeter from a convex mirror. Object distance is how much? Object distance is 10 centimeter from a convex mirror of radius of curvature is 30 centimeter. Object distance is 10 centimeter. According to sign convention, object distance is negative. U equal to minus 10 centimeter. And what is given? Given radius of curvature is 30 centimeter. Radius of curvature R is given 30 centimeter. We have a relationship between radius of curvature and focal length. Focal length will be half of the radius of curvature. So that is 30 by 2 to 1 jar to 15 jar. So what is focal length? Focal length will be 15 centimeter. According to sign convention, for convex mirror, focal length will be, this is our convex mirror. This is our convex mirror. For convex mirror, focal length will be positive. So this is given. Now we have to find out nature, position and size of the image. So first let us find out where we have to play, where we get the image. Position we will find. Position of the image. So let us substitute these values in mirror formula. What is our mirror formula? 1 by f equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. 1 by f is given 15 centimeter. So 1 by v plus u equal to minus 10. Right? So this plus into minus, this will become minus 1 by 10. Transpose 1 by 15 plus 1 by 10 is equal to 1 by v. What is the LCM of 10 comma 15? 5 table, 5 2s are, 5 3s are, 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. So our LCM is 30. 15 2s are 30 into 2 into 2. 10 3s are 30 into 3 into 3. 1 2s are 2, 1 3s are 3 equal to 1 by v. So that's what 2 plus 3, 5 by 30 equal to 1 by v. So 5 table, 5 1s are, 5 6s are. So 1 by 6 equal to 1 by v. 1 1 gets cancelled, v equal to 6 centimeter. We got v value how much? 6 centimeter. V equal to 6 centimeter. Means where we got the image? We got the image at a distance of 6 centimeter from the mirror. We got an image at a distance of 6 centimeter from the mirror. I mean this is plus 6. Plus 6. As we know The main important point is here, for convex mirror, image always behind the mirror. Where will get the image? Always behind the mirror. So somewhere we will get the image here, which is at a distance of 6 cm from the mirror. Somewhere here we will get the image. As we know that for convex mirror, what is the nature? The nature of image is virtual and erected. Our nature is what? Virtual and erected image. That is the nature of convex mirror. And where is the position? The position is at a distance of 6 cm from the mirror, behind the mirror. Okay? We got position, also we found nature. Now let us find out what is the size of the image. What is the size of the image? As we know, magnification, we have the formula m equal to hi by h naught equal to hi by h naught equal to minus v by u. Hi by h naught equal to minus v by u. Minus v by u. What is the height of the image? Height of the image we have to find out. And height of the object is 5 cm equal to minus, we got v value 6 cm and u value is minus 10 cm. So minus minus gets cancelled. I can cancel 5 table, 5 1 ja, 5 2 ja, 2 table, 2 1 ja, 2 3 ja. So hi equal to how many centimeters? Which is equal to 3 centimeters. So height of the image is 3 centimeters. What is plus sign indicates here? Image is above the principal axis. If it is minus sign, below the principal axis. If it is positive sign, above the principal axis. Here what is the plus sign indicates? We got the image behind the mirror, back side of the mirror. Hence it is a plus 6 cm. This plus sign indicates back side of the mirror. This plus sign indicates, this is above the principal axis, this is the back side of the mirror. That sign conventions are very very important while doing numerical problems on convex mirror. I hope you understood the position, nature and size of the image. Okay, let us discuss one more example so that we can clearly understand the problems based on convex mirror. Okay. Yeah. Coming to second question. An object is placed 15 cm from a convex mirror of radius of curvature 60 cm. Find the position of image and its magnification. We have to find out position of image and its magnification. What is an object is placed 15 cm from convex mirror. So no convex mirror, let me an object is placed 15 cm from a convex mirror. So this is my object which is placed 15 cm from a convex mirror of radius of curvature 60 cm. Radius of curvature 60 cm. So given object distance u equal to 15 cm, which is our convex mirror, for object distance, for either concave or convex mirror, object distance will be negative only. And radius of curvature is 60 cm. So what is focal length? Focal length will be half of the radius of curvature. 60 by 2 1 ja, 2 30 ja, which is equal to 30 centimeters. So focal length will be 30 centimeter. For convex mirror, focal length will be positive. F equal to plus 30 centimeter only. So focal length will be plus 30 centimeter. Now let us find out position. Let me substitute these values in our mirror formula. 1 by f equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. 1 by f equal to 30, 1 by v plus u value is minus 15. Let me transpose minus 1 by 15 this side, which will become 1 by 30 plus 1 by 15 equal to 1 by V. LCM of 30 and 50, which is 30 only, into 1, into 1, into 2, into 2, 1 1 is 1, plus 1 2 is 2, equal to 1 by V. 1 plus 2, 3 by 30 equal to 1 by V. 3 table, 3 1 is 3 10 is. So here also 1 1 gets cancelled. So what is V? We got V equal to 10 centimeter, which is positive. As we know that for convex mirror, image is always formed behind the mirror. That's why which is plus 10 centimeter. I mean somewhere here we will get the image whose distance is how many centimeter? 10 centimeter from the mirror. We got the image at a distance of 10 centimeter from the mirror, I mean back side of the mirror. That is the position of image, and also they are asking to find out what is its magnification. Magnification M equal to, we have the formula magnification M, that is Hi by H naught equal to minus V by U. But here we don't know. Directly we will find out M equal to minus V by U. Formula we will use. Magnification M equal to minus V by U. So minus, we got the V value 10 centimeter and U value how much? Minus 15 centimeter. Minus minus gets cancelled. 5 2s are 5 3s are. So M equal to 2 by 3. 2 divided by 3, 0.66. So magnification equal to M equal to 0.66 centimeter. So what is the magnification? Magnification M equal to 0.66 centimeter. Got it my point? So they are asking to find out position of image and magnification. Okay, let us discuss one more question. Our third question is, a convex mirror with a radius of curvature of 3 meters. A convex mirror, this is our convex mirror. A convex mirror with a radius of curvature 3 meters is used as a rear view mirror for a vehicle. You know, convex mirrors are also used as a rear view mirror for the vehicles. This is the uses of convex mirror. And if a bus is located at 5 meters from the mirror, one bus is there. We have located, this is our bus. This is our bus. Bus is located at a distance of 5 meters from the mirror. At a distance of 5 meters from this mirror, find the position, nature and size of the image. Here our object is bus, which we placed at a distance of 5 meters from the mirror. Convex mirror is used as a rear view mirror for the vehicles, which is the use of convex mirror. And given radius of curvature is 3 meters. As we know that focal length will be half of the radius of curvature. So I mean 3 by 2, which is nothing but 1.5 meters. So radius of curvature focal length is 3 by 2 meters. Okay. Now object distance is given 5 meters according to sign convention, which is minus 5 meters. So let us find out where is the position of an image. V value. Let us substitute in the mirror formula. 1 by F equal to 1 by V plus 1 by U. So 1 by F equal to how much? 3 by 2. Let me substitute 3 by 2 equal to 1 by V plus 1 by U equal to minus 5. So 1 by 3 by 2, I can write it as 2 by 3. Let me write it as 2 by 3. This minus 1 by 5 comes to this one, means plus 1 by 5 equal to 1 by 3. LCM of 3 and 5 is 15 into 5 into 5 into 3 into 3. 2 5s are 10 plus 1 3s are 3 equal to 1 by V. So I can write as 13 by 15 equal to 1 by V. As we want V by 1, let me do invert and do. So I will get 15 by 13 equal to V by 1. What is 15 by 13? 15 divided by 13. 13 1s are 13. Again 13 1s are 13. 7 0. 13 6s are 78. Now 13 5s are 65. 5 and it is continuation. So V equal to how much? Which is 1.15 meters. So where we will get the image? We will get the image at a distance of 1.15 meters from behind the mirror. Somewhere here we will get. Here you will get whose distance is 1.15 meters. Where is the position of an image? Position of an image is at a distance of 1.15 meters behind the mirror. Now let us find out nature. What is the nature of the image? Which is our convex mirror. For convex mirror, which is virtual and erected. Nature of image is virtual and erected. Also, they are asking to find out size of the image. For that, we have to find out magnification. We have to find out magnification. Magnification M equal to minus V by U. Minus V by U. U equal to how many centimeters? Minus 5. So we got minus of 1.15 by U value how much? Our U value is minus 5. Minus minus gets cancelled. So that is equal to 1.15 divided by 5. 5 table. 5 2s are 10. 1 5. 5 3s are 15. So magnification M equal to how much? Which is 0.23 meters. So magnification is 0.23 meters. Okay. This is our, first of all we found what is the position. Position is at a distance of 1.15 meters from the mirror. And the nature is, which is virtual and erected image. That is our nature. And the size of the image is, which is 0.023 meters. And that is our magnification, which is equal to 0.23 meters. 0.23 meters. Okay. I hope you all understood the problems based on convex mirror. Okay. Thank you.